All right, everybody. So yesterday, I wouldn't say it was beautiful out, but it was like 50. It was nice enough you could have the garage door open. Now, can you see out there? This is snow. Look, we got a nutso dog here. Look at her. She's nuts. Get out here. Dog loves the snow. It's crazy. Look at this. Look at this. We got a cobra in the snow. Look at this Project Nightmare covered in snow. Look at this shit. What in the Franken beans is going on here? This is unacceptable. Just unacceptable. It really is. I'm going back inside because this is just ridiculous. I didn't approve of this. Nobody ran it past my desk, so I'm going back inside.